In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a link that opens your form with certain answers already filled in. This is perfect for speeding up data entry, guiding respondents to the right choices, or standardizing repeated information like team, location, or product codes. Start in the Google Forms editor for the form you want to share. Look to the top right of the screen for the three-dot More menu. Click that menu to reveal extra options that aren't in the main toolbar. If you don't see it, make sure you're in the editor, not the live preview. From that menu, choose Pre-fill Form. This opens a special view of your form that looks almost identical, but it's designed for setting default answers. Anything you enter here will be encoded into the link, so when someone opens it, those fields appear already filled. Think of it as creating a template response. You're not submitting the form, you're just telling Google Forms which fields should have starting values. Keep in mind that pre-filled values can still be changed by the respondent unless the question type itself prevents editing. Once you've reviewed which entries you'd like to include as defaults, look for the Get Link button near the top or bottom of the page. Click Get Link, and Google Forms will generate a unique URL that contains your pre-filled parameters. This URL carries the instructions for each field you touched, so even small edits, like a specific multiple choice selection or a short answer default, will be captured. Finally, click Copy Link. This places the pre-filled URL onto your clipboard so you can paste it wherever you normally share links. Use it in email, chat, calendar invites, or on your website. Anyone who opens that link will see the form with those values already in place, saving time and reducing mistakes. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Avoid pre-filling sensitive or private information. It may appear in the URL. If you later change question titles, delete questions, or switch question types, the old link may not pre-fill those fields correctly, so it's a good idea to generate a fresh link after major edits. Required questions can still be pre-filled, but recipients can modify those values before submitting. And if you need variations, for example, one link per department, create separate pre-filled links for each scenario so respondents land on the right defaults every time. That's it. You've created a pre-filled Google Forms link quickly and cleanly.